I really like the Aurora R series fire rated downlights. They're very quick, simple to install. The fast fix connectors are great. For first fixing, you can get your cables in, connectors done, any dead tests you need to do, done at that lighting point. And then second fixing, it's as simple as clicking your light in, putting it in the ceiling, done. Having the switchable wattage and colour is great for the customers because you get to give them the choice without having to carry multiple lights on the van. For me, one of the key features is the fast fix connectors are compatible with other brand fast fix connectors. So you don't necessarily have to change all the fast fix connectors. You can just unplug, plug in your Aurora one in, and away you go. Also, the dimming performance is as we've come to expect from Aurora. I'd recommend the Aurora R series for one, the cost, it's a very competitive price downlight. Two, the flexibility, the switchable wattage and colours. And three, the fast fix connectors. It just makes installation so quick.